What's up guys, Bobby here, and today I have the privilege and honor to review one of the few iconic cars VW ever built, the mighty Veronica 6. Now let's take a look at this beautiful specimen's features. Sunroof, why? So that the driver and all the passengers can be blessed from above. A sundown sticker at the back, notifying the entire world that even though they can't play soccer, they're very good at fighting, so stay away. Inside the boot, two 15-inch subs blast out violent music on Saturdays and slow, smooth jams on Sundays, so that you can cruise and hold your baby chicken's arm. Slowly though, because petrol's expensive. Speaking about petrol, come with me. The only thing more ridiculous than a VR6's fuel consumption is the fairy tale story that you tell all your friends that one time you beat a BMW M3 in a drag race. Now come take a look inside. Now I know the question that's coming from you lighties with the ID number that starts with a 0. You know, skinny jeans, watching Barbie movies, smoking vape. You might ask me, Uncle Bobs, what is the difference between a GTI and a VR6? The only difference is the GTI owner is actually employed. Now, in closing, where would one find a beautiful specimen like this and have an opportunity to meet the owner? At the only place they hang out, baby, at the car wash. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. If you did, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and have a beautiful day. Bye-bye.